Today we're going to be talking about the mini channel bank 4-wire E&M analog and dry contact over T1 multiplexer, the TC8614. The easiest way to find any of our products is by referencing our product matrix. Simply choose your transport column, followed by your interface row, and the product you're looking for will be at that intersection. The TC8614 can be found under the T1 E1 column under the analog row. Each product number is clickable from our product matrix, and the link will take you to the web page for that product. The TC8614 is typically used to link or extend various 600 ohm analog, audio, intercom devices, and dry contacts over existing T1 or E1 links. Let's talk about some of the features of the TC8614. This product offers plug-and-play simplicity, is easily configured, offers extremely low latency, and can operate over T1 or E1 links. As with all of our mini channel bank products, the TC8614 is equipped with an R2 button, which allows users to check and reset disruptions on local and remote units. Please watch our video on this feature. The link is in the description. As with all TC Communications products, the TC8614 can operate within a standard temperature range of -20 to 70 degrees Celsius, and an extended temperature option is available from -40 to 80 degrees Celsius. A common application for the TC8614 is leased line replacement, and this concept is shown in the following radio voter application diagram. Leased lines are copper lines that are used in a direct point-to-point connection. The TC8614 can be used to replace expensive lease lines using a T1 connection, and users can expect extremely low latency and improved voice quality. Another common TC8614 application is replacing your channel banks. Channel banks were popular in the past, but are now becoming obsolete and lack support. The TC8614 can be used to replace existing channel banks as shown in this same example. However, if you require a single-ended channel bank replacement, the TC8714-2 is the perfect choice. To learn more about this, the link is in the description. Looking at mounting options, the most supplied TC8614 is housed in what we call our standalone unit. However, a rack-mountable 1U or 4U is also available. For more information, please visit TCComm.com. You can find any of our products by clicking the drop-down in the top right corner of our homepage. And to view our product matrix, you can scroll down to right here. You can also get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner of our homepage. Please like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thank you for watching.